In modern warfare, helicopters are no longer just support assets, they are frontline predators. And now Italy has entered the game with something that's turning heads across NATO and raising serious questions in Moscow. The AW249 Fenice, a next-generation attack helicopter designed for one purpose: survive, hunt, and dominate in the most lethal battlefield environments. But why is this aircraft being called a potential threat to modern air defense systems? Because while most people focus on fighter jets and drones, a new generation of attack helicopters is quietly reshaping close air support doctrine. And the AW249 Fenice is at the center of this shift. But here's what makes it even more interesting. Its design isn't just about firepower, it's about survivability against modern air defenses that were supposed to make helicopters obsolete. Stay with us, because what this helicopter is capable of might change how you see battlefield aviation forever.
In this video, we break down the AW249 Fenice, Italy's newest attack helicopter developed to replace legacy platforms and redefine NATO's close air support capabilities. By the end, you'll understand why this aircraft is being closely watched across Europe and why it represents a major evolution in modern rotary-wing warfare.
The AW249 Fenice is developed by Leonardo Helicopters as the successor to the legendary AW129 Mangusta, Italy's long-serving attack helicopter. Designed for modern multi-domain warfare, the Fenice incorporates advanced avionics, improved survivability systems, and a modular weapons architecture. Unlike older platforms, it was built from the ground up to operate in highly contested environments where electronic warfare, air defense systems, and drone threats are constantly evolving. Italy's goal was clear: create a helicopter that could survive and dominate in 21st century battlefields. And that meant rethinking everything, from cockpit design to battlefield networking. What do you think about the AW249 Fenice? Can it really dominate future warfare? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoy military aviation content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next mission.